Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ACH payments from your bank using Plaid Connect step by step clearly. To begin transferring ACH payments using Plaid Connect, first, log into your bank account. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access your account for ACH transfers. Next, visit the Plaid website and create an account if you haven't done so already. After logging into your Plaid account, navigate to the Connections section. Select that Add Account option to link your bank. You will see a list of supported financial institutions. Locate your bank from the list or use the search bar to find it quickly. Click on your bank's name to initiate the connection process. You will be redirected to your bank's login page. Enter your online banking credentials securely. Once logged in, grant Plaid the necessary permissions to access your account. After connecting your bank successfully, return to the Plaid dashboard. You will now see your bank account linked under Connections. To initiate an ACH payment, go to the Payments section in your Plaid dashboard. Select Create Payment from the available options. Enter the payment amount and the recipient's details. Review the payment information to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transaction and authorize any required verification steps. Plaid will process the ACH payment through your bank account. You will receive a notification once the transaction is complete. Keep track of your payments within your Plaid and bank account for future reference. That concludes the step-by-step process for transferring ACH payments using Plaid Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.